friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting method to knit a pretty baby booties. Today we will make a two color baby booties for newborn baby. It looks very pretty and it is also very easy for the absolute beginners also. So let's start to make a baby booties. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you. Friends, for this project I have cast on 28 stitches on my needle. So first of all we will start our pattern with our primary color. So white is our primary color and pink is our secondary color. The color choice is up to you. You can use every color. I have used pink and white. So let's start the first row. We will knit all the stitches in the first row. Second row, we will also knit all the stitches in the second row. Friends, from row 1 to 54, in starting we will make 54 rows. In all these 54 rows we will knit all the stitches. So let's prepare 54 rows with color A by knit all the stitches. So I am going to complete the 54 rows with the color primary by knit all the stitches. So let's complete 54 rows. I have completed 54 rows, or you can say 27 ridges. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 and 27 ridges. So now is the 55 row of the pattern. Now we will decrease some stitches in it. So row 55, it is our right side. Knit one stitch, then knit next stitch, pass over the knit stitch over this stitch like this. So I have decreased one stitch. In this way I will decrease 11 stitches. So 1, again knit one stitch, pass this stitch over the next knit stitch like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Friends, I have decreased 11 stitches. So shift this stitch into the left needle again. Now count stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and 17. Now I have 17 stitches on my needle. So now we will attach our second color. So this is our second color. I will tie a knot here like this. Then knit this row 55 row. First I have decreased 11 stitches. Now 17 stitches remain. So now I will knit 17 stitches with our secondary color or pink color. Row 56, we will purl all the stitches with the second color, pink color. So I am going to complete this row. 57 row, friends, 57 row we will knit stitch all, and in the 58th row we will purl all stitches with the pink color. So let's complete row 57 and 58. Right side by knit all stitches and wrong side by purl all stitches. Friends, I have completed 4 rows with pink color, 55, 56, 57 and 58. Right side by knit all stitches and the wrong side by purl all stitches. Now is row 59. Row 59. In row 59 we will use our primary color or white color. We will knit all the stitches in the row 59. Friends, now we will prepare 4 row with this color, with white color. Row 59, 60, 61 and 62 by knit all the stitches. So let's complete 4 rows again by knit all the stitches with our first color. Friends, I have prepared 4 rows with the white color. Now again we will repeat this pattern up to 5 times. 4 rows with pink color by following 1 row knit and 1 purl, and white 4 rows with the white color by knit all the stitches. So let's complete this pattern. Friends, I have completed these rows from 55 to 98 rows. Here are 6 stripes of pink color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 by following the pattern 4 rows. Right side by knit all the stitches and wrong sides by purl all the stitches. And there are 5 stripes of white color, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 stripes following the pattern of 4 rows by knit all the stitches. So now we will bind off these stitches. First of all, cut the white color from here. Now bind off these stitches with the pink color. Knit 1 stitch, then knit next stitch and pass this stitch over the knit stitch like this. Then by following the same we will bind off all the stitches. I have bind off all the stitches. Now like this. Cut a thread from here. And this. Now we will sew this. This is our right side. We will fold it like this. First of all, we will sew these two parts, white and pink, from here to here. So let's complete it by sewing the portion. So first of all, now pick a stitch from here like this. So friends, I have sewn this portion. Now make a knot here. Like this. From this portion, we will pick a stitch like this. Now we will pull it tightly. Like this. We will make a knot here. Now cut this thread like this. Now we will sew this portion like this. We will attach pink to pink, white color to white color, again pink to pink, white and white, like this. And from here, now we will sew with the pink like this, white color with the white, so friends, now our booty has completed like this. We will fold these portion like this. So it is so pretty. Now we will make a pom-pom and attach here. Friends, now we will attach a pom-pom here. So I have prepared a pom-pom already. Now insert a needle through here. So now cut this thread like this. Our booty is ready. I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.